Hey there. Remember that moment when you got your very first cell phone? If you were a 90s kid like me, it was a big deal. Let's take a trip down memory lane and relive that magic moment. Imagine this, it's 1999. You're rocking your favorite butterfly clips and baggy jeans. And then, boom! You unwrap a box to reveal the ultimate piece of technology, your very first cell phone. It wasn't just any phone, it was the phone. Maybe it was the iconic Nokia 3310 with those classic interchangeable faceplates and that indestructible build. Or perhaps it was the Motorola StarTAC, the first real flip phone that made you feel like a secret agent every time you answered a call. And remember how it felt to hold it in your hand, the excitement, the pride, your parents beaming as they watched you dial your first number. You called your best friend who lived just down the street, but it didn't matter. You had to show off your new gadget. And oh, the games. Snake was the ultimate time killer. You'd spend hours trying to beat your high score. And when you finally did, you were king of the playground. Oh, texting was a whole adventure too. T9 predictive text, anyone? It was like learning a new language, but once you got the hang of it, there was no stopping those late-night SMS chats. Your first cell phone was more than just a piece of tech. It was a rite of passage, a symbol of growing up, and a ticket to endless possibilities, son. So let's raise a toast to those simpler times and the joy of being a 90s kid. Because no matter what, those memories are forever dialed into our hearts. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more nostalgic journeys.